How to choose your niche on YouTube. This is the hardest thing when you're first starting out your YouTube channel. It actually prevents people from getting going and getting momentum on their YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to simplify everything for you, and I'm going to help you break through that resistance so that you can decide on a niche that's going to be successful for your YouTube channel, that's going to work with you, and is going to help you grow your YouTube channel. Let's not waste another second and get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is just commit to a niche. Don't put it off for too long. You're only going to know if your niche is right once you've actually started creating videos in that niche. You're going to work out whether you enjoy creating those videos or whether it's not actually what you thought it was going to be and you want to change your niche. But you need to do that. You need to make a decision so that you can see if it works for you or not. You can't let fear get in the way. You can't keep procrastinating, putting off the creation of your YouTube channel because you're still deciding what niche you actually want to be in. Just choose something and get started. You're only going to know what works and what doesn't once you've got started. So the first thing you need to do is actually commit to a deadline. Give yourself a day, maybe 2 days at the most, and then you need to start creating videos. Now that we know and we've committed to getting started within the next day, we need to look into what we're interested and passionate about. I want you to create videos about things that you enjoy, about things that you talk to your friends about things that you have experiences in. Don't go out and choose a niche that you have absolutely no idea about. It's going to take you hours and hours of research and you're going to be uncomfortable talking about the topic. Rather choose something that you enjoy. So a great way to think about these ideas is, what would your friends ask you advice for? And what could you talk freely about from your experiences? What problems have you solved for yourself that have changed your life, that have improved your life, that you actually enjoy talking about, and you've got experiences from that passion? If you can find something, your interests and your passions, and mold them together, that's a great niche to start with for your YouTube channel. When you're first starting out creating videos, it can become really hard and challenging. So I want you to enjoy the video creation process as much as possible so you don't hit a barrier and stop creating videos. Consistency is so important when you're first building out your YouTube channel. If you don't stay consistent, you will give up, you will lose track, and you will get too busy to create your videos and life will take over. Make sure that you're committed to building this YouTube channel. It needs to become a priority, and decide right now what is more important than your YouTube channel and where does your YouTube channel sit on your list of priorities. So you know, easy and simple, what comes before what and what you're going to sacrifice in order to create this YouTube channel. Because it's not easy. You do need to make some sacrifices. You do need to put some hard work in order to grow your YouTube channel and get over that first hurdle. We want to get you to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours so you can monetize your videos and actually start making money from this passion. That's where we want to get you. So it's so important to choose the right niche when you're first starting out so that you don't hit those barriers and stop growing your YouTube channel. So get out a pen and paper, and I want you to write down all of your passions, all of your interests, as many as you possibly can. Think about what you do with your free time. What do you do on the weekends? What do you have the most fun doing? Write down everything that you can think of. Now you have a list of all your interests and passions, and now you can see visually which ones do you think would be fun creating videos about. Now I want you to take that list of passions and start searching that on YouTube. Have a look at what kind of videos creators are creating around the topic that you're interested and passionate about. If you're really interested and passionate about it, you've probably already watched all of these creators. You probably have your favorites already, because if you're interested in something, you're definitely going to search it on YouTube. So let's look at an example. If your passion is surfing, then you would have already watched a whole lot of surfing videos on YouTube, and you'll know which surfing creators you enjoy the most. What kind of content are they creating that resonates with you? Which of their videos do you like watching the most? And think about what similar topics they've created videos around that have done really well, that people are actually watching, people are liking, people are commenting and engaging with this video. What kind of video could you create around a similar topic that you know people are interested in, but is your own unique perspective from your own unique experiences, where you can then build a connection around the video that you create inside of this topic? So this is a great brainstorming session. I just want you to get ideas of the creators that you enjoy, how they create their videos and what kind of videos they're creating, and what are the titles of their videos, what topics are they covering, what information are they delivering verbally, what are they talking about, and visually, what are they showing people in order to keep their attention. You want to create interesting videos. If your passions or interests aren't interesting to your potential viewer, then your YouTube channel is not going to be successful. Now, not everyone is going to be interested in your passions and interests, but if you're passionate about this topic, if you're interested in this topic, there are going to be other people that are in your tribe that are interested in the same thing. You want to find your tribe that's interested in your passions and hobbies and create a YouTube channel around that tribe and bring that community together. That's going to grow the connection. That's going to grow your true fans, your loyal customers that are going to watch every single one of your videos, that are going to like your videos, that are going to engage with your videos. So I really want us to look at the end goal. We want an engaged audience. Once we know we want that engaged audience, we can then reverse engineer to decide what our niche is going to be before we even start. I don't want you to spend hours and hours creating videos and they're not worthwhile and they're not going to grow your channel. So spend the time, invest the time in choosing your niche, in defining your tribe before you start creating videos. Because once you understand your tribe, how they think, what problems they face, what problems do they want to solve, what videos are they watching online, and what are they actually searching for within that topic. If I look at a beginner surfer, I know from my experience with learning how to surf, I want to learn how to duck dive. I want to learn how to paddle out. I want to learn what length leash I need in order to start surfing. I want to know, do I need a shortboard? Do I need a longboard? Do I need a mini mile? There are a whole lot of questions and problems that I'm going to be trying to solve, and asking those questions within YouTube, asking experienced people to give me their advice. So I already know around that surfing topic or surfing for beginners, I know the questions that they're going to be asking because I know what problems they're facing. I faced those problems. I went through that journey. So I can know and understand that tribe and what kind of journey they're going to go on when they're first starting out learning how to surf. And that's what I really want you to do with your YouTube channel. I want you to meet your tribe where they are right now. Where are they in their journey? Are you ahead of them in their journey? If you're ahead of them in their journey, it's going to be a lot easier for you to help them by giving them advice from the experiences and what you went through when you solved those problems. Don't go and create a video about a problem that you haven't solved. So I don't want you to go out and create a video on how to surf Mavericks if you haven't surfed Mavericks. You can do that, but you're not going to come across as genuine, and people aren't actually going to trust you because they're going to know that you haven't done that. You haven't solved that problem. If you haven't surfed Mavericks, don't create a video about surfing Mavericks. Create a video about learning how to stand up for the first time, because you've done that and you've got visual content of you doing that. That's going to build up trust with your tribe, and that's going to create that connection that you really want. So there's so much more that goes into deciding your niche than you think about. But if you have any questions or queries that you want to discuss about choosing your niche, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.